Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Ethereum update. And guys, I think the downtrend for Ethereum already has a break, and we are not looking to go any more further down. Now first thing first guys, if you're not in the Discord, I want you to join the Discord, and if you're looking to join a Signal channel, do join our Signal channel, because I am giving some live updates and some quick comments, and we're trading as well. And it is what it is. I do have 9 more days to close the signals anyways. Let's talk about Ethereum, guys. So first of all, let me show you Bitcoin. Okay, I think it's always a good idea to start off with Bitcoin and then going into your favorite altcoins. I've already talked about Bitcoin in detail, and the video is in the channel. If you want to watch that one, you can also watch that one in detail. Okay, first thing is first, you have the left shoulder, you have the head, and you have the right shoulder right over there. Inverse head and shoulder is actually every single place, and if you look at it this way, I did Google for you, and this is how inverse head and shoulder look like. You have the left shoulder, head, right shoulder, break the neckline, go to the upside. Technically, Bitcoin is looking to actually come up to $24,194, okay? That's where Bitcoin is going to head. And from there, that actually, because I've already mentioned this one, let's go and dive back into Ethereum. So what is Ethereum going to do? So you do have, again, I'm going to zoom in here so that we can actually see the microscopic details of what Ethereum is doing as well. So left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. Actually, it's always a good idea. I'm going to actually tell you what to do. You go to the left panel here, and I want you to click on patterns, and I want you to click on head and shoulders. Okay, when you click on head and shoulder, you get an option like this is your left shoulder, something like that, and then that's going to be the head, and then you're looking for this one to be your right shoulder, just like that. Boom, right? The neckline, where's the neckline? Okay, so here's the neckline, and you've already broken out of the neckline, and that's the beauty of it. Number one. Okay, number two is to take the patterns, to take the technical target from the top here to the bottom, and you're looking for the next technical target, and an impulsive move from there to there. This takes you up to $1,346. Yes, $1,346. Now depending on where you're entering Ethereum right now, that's going to be like 16.25% move to the upside, and that's amazing. That's a very nice, lovely trade with a stop loss. Of course, I would suggest a stop loss down here at 1081. Okay, so 1081 is really a stop loss that you have to keep in mind, because there's one thing I want to say in trading. Whenever you trade, your main focus in behind every trader's mind, whenever they have to take a trade, they have to keep in mind that how much am I going to lose. It's not always how much you're going to win, because you're not guaranteed it's going to go up there. The highest part, the gaining part, will take care of itself if you actually take care of the risk. Now you can see it's a very big risk right now, 6.34%. So let me help you with that one. Let me help you with this one. If, because it's my birthday, so let me actually give you a good, maybe an idea. Maybe the lowest you're looking, a very low risk you're looking right now for is BLZ, Bluezilla, because everything has an inverse head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. And this will be an amazing, amazing entry opportunity. If it breaks out, comes back for the retest, boom, right over there, and you ride it all the way to the upside. So yeah, that's a little bit of a cheat sheet for you right now if you're looking for the lowest risk potentially, because Ethereum is already broken out. But if you're holding Ethereum right now, and maybe if you're a long-term holder, that will be amazing. I mean, you're looking for, if you bought here, somewhere here at $874, damn, that's like an amazing entry in my opinion, okay, in my opinion. But right now, one more thing that I want to talk about is once you do come up here to 1341, you're really breaking this, some sort of a bear flag right here. Do you see that? That sort of a bear flag gets broken, and that's actually quite bullish statement for Ethereum. And one more thing, I'm going to remove every drawing right now, and let's dive into the weekly. There's something interesting about it in the weekly. The weekly time frame is going to flash green for the very first time if in the next 5 days and 16 hours, of course today's Tuesday, we're going to have to wait until Sunday. And if anyhow you're coming up here to 1300 or 1370, it doesn't really stop there. It doesn't really stop there. You might be putting in a bullish engulfing candlestick just like that. And what I'm going to do is again go to Google so that I can show you what this can be done. And let's write in there bullish engulfing candlestick. And who knows, Bitcoin might have bottomed out. Who knows? You never know. You can never predict the bottom of Bitcoin. You just do the dollar cost average when it drops by 80% or 84%. The rest, you just leave it to your luck if you get lucky. So bullish engulfing candlestick is something like this that I want to show you, probably here, or maybe something like this one as well. So what I'm looking for is probably this one right here, this red candle and a green candle. So technical target of inverse head and shoulder takes you where? That's the first question that I want to answer you. So it takes you up here to 1340 something, okay? Something like this place, that blue line over there. If anyhow, you actually come up here and even break it and go to 1447 by the end of the week, or maybe even to 1500 and close near the 1400 level, then guys, you're really putting a bullish engulfing. And when you do put a bullish engulfing, guys, that's a reversal pattern. That's a reversal pattern, just like this one. You went to the downside, make a bullish engulfing candlestick, and then boom, the uptrend actually started. And the stop loss is gonna be placed down at the 884, which is actually gonna be very far beyond, especially if you're a swing trader. That's actually a very big stop loss. So there are some few personality traders that I'm going to talk about, and number one is going to be scalpers. Okay, so if you're scalping this Ethereum, I don't think it's a good idea to like buy here and put a very big stop loss down there, because if you're a scalper, you really need quick profits and you want to run away. This one actually comes down to people who are seasonal traders, who are not day traders. They are like weekly traders, monthly traders. I think on a monthly time frame, Ethereum is at one heck of a cheap price for dollar cost averaging, in my opinion. That's my own personal opinion, not financial advices though. The coin itself actually came all the way from $4,000, nearly $5,000, and now it's sitting at 1156, man, 1156. Damn, that's pretty amazing. Now one more thing is to go up to the daily, and let's look at the daily time frame here. Yep, it is what it is. This is the technical target, ladies and gents, 1362 as well. But I actually want to, before I close the video, I actually want to also look at the monthly time frame. Let's look at what the monthly really looks like. Okay, now the monthly still is bearish. Yes, the monthly is actually still bearish. So let's say you still do come up here to 1355. That's not the end of the drops. You see, switching between different time frames, they actually help you, but I don't think when you actually come up to 1350, that's going to be the end of the drops. No, that's not the end of it, because what I would suggest is you're going to have 3 black rows, and I'm going to talk about this one in the next coming videos. I've talked about this one before, but hopefully maybe in the next coming videos I'm going to do it, because it's going to be a lengthy video and I still got to do other updates as well. So super busy with the updates, just releasing some very nice valuable content for you so that you may enjoy, you may understand what's going on. So if you like this video, guys, do make sure that you are following the channel. If you need the daily updates, I'm going to be doing Ethereum updates on a consistent basis now. So you're going to enjoy a lot of the updates coming forward in the future. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.